Here we come to the elevator in the Chase building in Stafford, Texas. I think this is ESCO, but I'm not sure, but I've been wanting to get in this building for so many years, and I finally get to do so. I finally get a chance to film here. I rode this elevator ever since I was a very little kid. And 20 years, almost 20 years later, this thing still lives on. Looks like this is a little too new to be an ESCO. This doesn't look like to be an ESCO to me. I don't know. Okay, thank you so much. All right, let's go. You too, thanks. That lady downstairs was quite friendly. I thought I was gonna get confronted or something, but thankfully not. Even though this is not College Station. Anyways, this elevator is kind of busy, especially in a small building like this. Yet this elevator is still got people coming in and out. I'm gonna try to get an uninterrupted ride this time. I'm not gonna show the desk right there. All right, it stopped chiming, so let's take it on a ride. Full silent trip. Here we go. Didn't chime this time. Beautiful. Oh yeah, I'm actually about to get off here too. I'm actually about to get off at 1 as well.
Okay.
So yeah, anyway, so thank you so much for your understanding.
No problem, of course.
All right, so with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and end the video here.
Have a good one.
You too, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
All right, gonna watch it close. It's amazing that the staff here are so friendly. All right, with that being said, there it goes, and that's it.